हम आज क्रॉस कर रहे हैं सरजापुर रोड। सुबह के 7:45, दिन है सोमवार। इतने सुबह जाने के वक्त भी आप देख सकते हो कैसे ट्रैफिक है यहाँ पर। अभी यहाँ पर 10 मिनट और लेट होगा तो यहाँ पर जाम लग जाएगा। और आज मंडे भी है। मेजॉरिटी ऑफ लोग जो ट्रैवल करते हैं अदर सिटीज़ राइट, कनेक्टिव सिटी राइट, तमिलनाडु है ना, वो लौटते हैं यहाँ। जो बड़ी बड़ी बसेस जाम लगा देती हैं, उनका टाइमिंग ही अभी रहता है। एनीवेज, अगर आप जानना चाहते हो कि सरजापुर रोड सर्कल कहाँ पर है तो वो ये है जो आप सामने देख रहे हो। ये जो ब्रिजेस है ना, मतलब जो बन रहे हैं वही है। अब यहाँ से अगर आप स्ट्रेट चले जाते हो तो आप चले जाओगे सरजापुर। सरजापुर बोले तो एक्सेंचर, विप्रो, प्रेस्टीज सिटी। और अगर आप यहाँ से लेफ्ट ले लेते हो तो यू विल मूव अराउंड बेलंदूर एंड माराथली। मैं तो लेफ्ट लूँगा, सो विल कैरी फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स बेलंदूर एंड माराथली एंड ऑन द वे टू Whitefield. Stay tuned with me and try to be with me till the end of this video if you want. I won't force you. Anyways, so आप देख रहे हो यहाँ से मुझे लेफ्ट लेना है। यहाँ पर जंक्शन देख लो कैसे। अब यहाँ पर देखो क्या ट्रैफिक लगी हुई। यहाँ पर एक ठेला वाला सामने क्या खड़ा करके अपना काम कर रहा है, उसकी भी गलती नहीं, काम तो करना है सबको। अभी आप देख सकते हो ना, इधर से अगर आपने राइट ले लिया तो आप चले जाओगे सरजापुर। अगर मैं स्ट्रेट यहाँ से लेफ्ट ले रहा हूँ तो आप जा रहे हो बेलंदूर। एग्जैक्टली। तो ये कनेक्टिंग एरिया, यहाँ से निकलना तो थोड़ा सा टफ है क्योंकि बस वाले जगह नहीं देते हैं। एनीवेज, आई ट्राई टू मेक अ वे। सो अब अभी यहाँ पर मैं दिन का 7:45 बताया ना आपको, 7:45 आज भी ठीक से नहीं बजा होगा मुझे लगता है। और देख लो ट्रैफिक कितनी बैंगलोर की। ऐसी ट्रैफिक मुझे लगता है कि नॉर्मल सिटीज़ में 9 बजे होती है, जबकि जब सारे लोग अपने ऑफिस के स्टार्ट कर। देख लो यहाँ पर सामने ट्रैफिक देखो, ऐसी खतरनाक ट्रैफिक है, पूरा जाम है यहाँ पर। एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम ये है ना, प्रॉब्लम नहीं, अच्छी बात ये है कि यहाँ पर मेट्रो का कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है और पिलर्स चल रहा है, तो उनको भी पैरेलली अलाइन करना पड़ता है। उनको भी रात भर वो लोग काम करते हैं बेचारे, और सुबह उठ करके ऑब्वियस काम ख़त्म करने में लेट होता ही है, किसी को भी फिनिश ऑफ करने में, पेंडिंग टास्क को एक्शन में लाने में, तो वही होता है। एनीवेज, आप देख सकते हो कि आप यहाँ से जा सकते हो। ब्रिजेस आप अगर आपको दिख रहा है तो ऊपर देख लो, ब्रिजेस ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं। मतलब मुझे लगता है स्लैब्स वगैरह तो फिट हो चुके हैं। और ये बेलंदूर का एरिया है, मैं आपको बेलंदूर दिखा रहा हूँ। ट्रैफिक रहती है यहाँ पर, लेकिन जब मैं लौटूंगा ना, मतलब 5 से पहले इंशाल्लाह, तो ट्रैफिक उतनी नहीं रहेगी यहाँ पर। मैं स्पीड में आ जाऊँगा। तो 20-30 की स्पीड में चला रहा हूँ मैं अभी। ये देख ले, लाल वाला लाल कलर का कपड़ा पहना है, ये देख ले कुर्ता, इसका नया फैशन है। लाल कुर्ता, लाल पजामा और वाइट जूता। कुछ भी फैशन में ले आते हैं बंदे। खैर, उसका चॉइस है, कुछ नहीं बोल सकते, सबका अपना अपना चॉइस है। जो पहने, लाल पहने, पीला पहने, लेकिन दैट्स अ न्यू फैशन आई गेस। एनीवेज, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, आई कैन सी a huge traffic, nothing else so far now. You can see that machine's right. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it's for aligning slabs over pillars. And this area which I'm crossing, right, you will find the SAP SAP lab, the small office over here. The big office is in Whitefield. So this is small office area. And now अभी यहाँ पर थोड़ा ट्रैफिक खुला है क्योंकि वहाँ पर कंडीशन था एक्चुअली। ट्रैफिक खुला है मतलब मूविंग ट्रैफिक हुआ है, मतलब आप करना नहीं है आपको। लेकिन एनीवे यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल राइडिंग दिस रोड्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो ये टैक्सी वाले हैं ना, वो किसी तरह भी अपने टारगेट्स को अचीव करने के लिए और मेकिंग अदर folks like employees who is sitting next to him, he will cope up with him, right? What is the log in time, what is the log of time. They have some additional pressure on top of their head. So they are trying to achieve their target. They are trying to make this employee present at his committed hours. So that's the reason they are driving so harsh, But still, you have to be very careful. Because recently, might have seen one of my video where the taxi was totally, crashed from his front face. And that was the incident from here only. I captured from this area only. So very careful. And even I don't remember, I don't, I don't find this guy who is a chapri guy who is buying some Pulsar and all and KTM and all. See, just look at him, how they are driving. They are trying to make a cut that they are driving in some super road or they have some super bike. This makes no sense to me actually. You have to be follow ethic rules, right? Just because of you, some other guy may lose his control. Allah save us from this incident. But you have to be very careful actually because someone drives for his purpose, someone drives for his passion, and someone who is driving for a purpose wanted to adopt his passion, they can obviously do separate kind of things, right? Anyways, you can find that bro that who is wearing a lal kurta in front of me again. Now, once we this area is Balandur area, right? Fully developing area right now. It's already developed because majority of office you will find right hand side you will find Accenture and this is EcoState, right? So you will find Capgemini and other big stuff over here. And this is EcoWorld right to me, and this is Novotel hotel. So this area is kind of you can say that is a kind of official area. But the drawback of some area, I would say that if you have some, offices near to that, the inside area would be like, bazaar. People are staying like anything and forcefully, when you say forcefully development, right, means development will take place on top of demand. So we have a 10 offices, IT companies here. Suddenly you will find some, all the houses being demolished and getting constructed to the PGs and the fourth floor, fifth floor, sixth floor. People are staying there, but they don't have life. I guess they don't have life just to make their commit or commute, I would say, in a span of 10 minutes or to avoid the traffic. That's a good option. They are staying in this area, but again they are losing this lavishness of this Bangalore because Bangalore, if you move to if you want to enjoy, you have to come to Bangalore South, Jayanagar, and all this beautiful area. Anyways, why would I talk about this? Everyone have their own choice, and they have some old commitments. So moving forward, we are moving towards what do you call Marathalli. This is Marathalli 80 feet road. So whenever you are majority of time if you are coming for Bangalore for interview or you are joining some new companies, their foot fall here only. I don't know why I'm feeling sleepy. I had a good nap in night around 5 hours, and I even tried to have a sleep, during 6 to 7, but I couldn't. Anyways, move on. So this is another this building. If you see right hand side, right, is a Harman. The Harman acquired JBL and Samsung acquired Harman now. So Harman is a part of Samsung, and Samsung is a good company. But I'm not sure about the Harman house. What is the work style culture? But Samsung, I feel that's a good company. So you might have noticed these bridges, right? Skywalks and all. So these skywalks are purposely made for the employees to cross the road because you can see the right hand side and left hand side. Both sides we have lot of offices, and people are coming from bus and auto and taxi. And they want to cross this road. That is a very busy road, right? Super busy. So to avoid any incident, any accident, they have created this kind of stuff, that skywalk and all. So we are moving towards, if you take right hand from that, you are on the way to Varthur, and this is subway tunnel, one of the tunnel in Marathalli road. So in the morning hours, you can find tractors. You can see tractor in front of me, I guess, yellow color. See, 2 tractors are going on. So they are doing their duty, cleaning the road. But it's very difficult because suddenly it comes black and they don't have proper lights. So I would suggest that if you are moving into tunnel, right, or if you're stepping into tunnel, right, you should use your lamp or make sure you maintain a 10 speed or 20 speed for your safer side. So now I'm out of tunnel, right? So this is a Prestige group of building, and here we have 24/7 GWC, and it's one of the company Vista and JP Morgan, by the way. So if you are in here and you are looking for a masjid where to pray namaz, I think JP Morgan top floor is being allocated for namaz. So make sure you offer your salah over there and do not miss it at any cost. Bangalore, if you're traveling in Bangalore, right, you will find masjid and a place for salah, alhamdulillah, with the grace of Allah around everywhere. Allah make His mercy what's up, inshallah. So that's the thing. I don't know that is getting recorded or not, but I'll try my level best to give you proper information about Bengaluru. Uh, and this is called Marathalli. This area is Marathalli actually, and this area is totally congested, I would say. If you see these buildings next to the main road, if you go inside, no, lot of autos are there actually. You'll find a lot of autos. See, the jam has begun. This is not a jam just because of actual jam. This is jam because of the bus stops. The bus there is stopping here to drop and pick the folks. Anyways, this is the main Marathalli. I have to be very much secure. I might not speak while crossing this tunnel, right? Because that's that is diverting me from my focus. So let's not you know put myself in a challenging way. So this is the tunnel, I guess. This is the mountain. If you go left hand side and you can take left, you will move towards Deloitte. And if you take a right, you obviously have a way to Kundanhalli, and from left you will move towards Whitefield. And I have to go straight, so I'll go straight. Entering a tunnel of Marathalli. And my speed is 50 right now. Yeah, I'm out right now and I'm on the way to Hebel Road. This road is called Hebel Road because this will take you towards Hebel. And even if you want to go to airport, you have to carry the same road. Now I have to take a slight right towards this. This is the wrong way of driving. The guy is driving very slow in this 80 feet road. That is the wrong way of driving. You have to maintain a speed with the other folks. But he's a taxi guy. He might be looking for his passengers. You cannot say anything to him. Yeah, so this if you take a slight right, we have a called Phatak, and we will move towards Whitefield. मैं कह रहा था कि व्हाइटफील्ड जाने के लिए आपको यहाँ से ना राइट लेना पड़ेगा. अब मैं दिखाता हूँ कहाँ से राइट लेना पड़ेगा. एकदम रिस्की राइट है, एकदम चौकन्ना होकर राइट लेना. हल्का सा भी आप झुके तो फिर ये आपको चाप के निकल जाएंगे इधर. मैं बताता हूँ कैसे करने का. देखो यहाँ से राइट जो है ना, from Marathalli road to Whitefield, this is the shortcut. Okay, make sure this is a shortcut. See how the cars are going, and you have to take a consecutive right. So I don't know why he's not crossing it, or he's having all the way to cross. But anyways, safety is first concern. So I'll make a step. So like this, you can do it, and you can do like this also. But see how much challenging this man. You have to be very much secure. See, these two folks were having out their stuff in a main road. They should not, because they have service road right and left. And so this car is in a superb condition. I want to check that they are planning to sell or not, because I'm looking for a car to buy in second-hand condition, and the budget is around 2.5 to 3. Let me know in comment if you have anything in Bengaluru and that's good condition matching my requirement. I'll love to have that. So this is the shortcut. I'm telling you, this is very narrow, way towards Whitefield. which will help you to override all the Kundanhalli traffic and all. But right now I don't feel Kundanhalli is having traffic. Anyways, so this carry a railway track with you with this road, and this is a railway fatak. So majority of time, not majority, matlab, sometimes it has been closed just because the train is gonna cross. So I think this track is connecting from Kiarpura. Kiarpuram is another 1 to 2 kilometers from here, I guess, from the same road where I have taken a right turn. So whenever the train is coming from there and moving towards the city, means Majestic, I think they are taking a same channel of this road, and that's why they are being closed. Anyways, this is the inner area of, you can say, Whitefield. This is Whitefield, I'm telling you. Just look how cozy, how occupied, how dusty it is. It's not just because government is doing a lot of things, I guess. But people are not maintaining. See, they are dumping kachra here and there. That's not the right practice. That's not at all right practice. You see, lot of footfall is here. So I'll show you some samples moving forward. That we have some good apartment over there, but that apartment is also being lusted and covered by dust. So you know why? Because of this traffic, and nowadays Bangalore had only small interval of rain, very small. I don't know what happened to Bangalore. Allah make mercy on Bangalore, inshallah. You know, really people are suffering from the whiter classes right now. But alhamdulillah, I don't have any problem. And inshallah, I won't have. Inshallah. The thing is that, yeah, just because of less rain, the dust is overcoming and covering all the buildings, and that will create some noisy problem. So I'm covering what I'm doing. I'm wearing a mask while driving a road. So my voice might not be clear. Please excuse me for that, but I have to take care of myself right before taking care of anyone else. So hope you all are liking my video and enjoying this series. If you do, please subscribe, and if you do not, please subscribe, because I'm wasting not my time, I'm investing my time. ठीक है. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था, ये सब जो एरिया है ना, ये व्हाइटफील्ड का इनर एरिया है, बोले तो अंदर का एरिया. ये है बहुत ग्रीनरी, देखा जाए तो बहुत ग्रीनरी है, लेकिन इसमें क्या इतना फुटफॉल है ना कि फूल टायर से दब दब करके ऊपर चढ़ के बिल्डिंग में लग गया. अब देखो, यहाँ फ्लैट जो है वो 1 करोड़ का होगा, फायदा क्या है? यहाँ पर सुकून नहीं होगा मुझे लगता है. इतना गाड़ी चलता है यहाँ पर, गली के अंदर, ये गली है भाई, ये मेन रोड नहीं है, 80 फुट नहीं है कि इतना गाड़ी चलना चाहिए, लेकिन गाड़ी चलता है. और ये क्यों चलता है? क्योंकि हम चल रहे हैं. ये गलती फ्लैट वालों की नहीं, ना किसी गलती की. ये डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली प्रोफेशनल है. ये फ्लैट में जो रहता है वो भी आईटी में काम करता है, वो भी यही रास्ता यूज करता है. उससे फ्लैट कर रही है इसलिए उसका ऑफिस नजदीक है यहाँ से बहुत. एनीवेज, अपने को क्या लेना है. ये एरिया थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच जो है ना वो अच्छा है, लेकिन वही बात है, बहुत फुटफॉल है. अपन को यहाँ से राइट लेना है. देख लो भाई, यही है शॉर्टकट. जो जी वाला है ना, जी वाला, यहाँ मेट्रो स्टेशन है, यहाँ पर दिखा रहा है, मेट्रो का सिग्नल देख लो. यहाँ पर आईएसबी यहाँ मिलेगा आपको, आईएसबी के बगल ही में. सामने मेट्रो दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है? कमेंट करो. यही है. सीताराम पाले लिखा है यहाँ पर. हाँ, सीताराम पालिया मेट्रो स्टेशन यहाँ पर है। देखो यहाँ पर लाइट जलना चाहिए, कितनी बड़ी गलती, यहाँ पर लाइट नहीं जलाया इन लोगों ने, अंधेरा पूरा दिख रहा है। मैं ब्लैक गॉगल्स लगाया हुआ हूँ। तो भैया ये आ गए हैं व्हाइट फील्ड, आपका शॉर्टकट मैंने बता दिया आपको, कैसे माराथली से आना है मैंने दिखा दिया आपको। बाकी आपकी मर्जी, तुझे आना है आ, नहीं आना है आ, नहीं आना, जो करना है करना। चल भाई।